Hi everyone, this is Olivia from the Alexandrienne channel, the creator of the Art of Drawing Dangles. I am starting a series about the second book, which is tentatively going to be named Drawing Dangles Demystified. And I am going to go through most of the aspects of the book. Now, in this video, which I am dividing up into two parts because of the length of the video, you will learn about lines, their basic form, and how to create them your own way. And we'll do this in part by taking the alphabet down to its simplest form, which is really exciting to me, and then how to build them up from there. Also learn about line types. So by the end of this video, you will have a good understanding of lines and be able to create your own unique letters exactly the way you want to. So let's get started with the first part, which is the deconstruction of the alphabet. We are going to mark out all of the horizontal and vertical lines that are straight. And below this, I am going to write all or part, so we'll know if we took out the whole letter or part of the letter. So let's start with A. That is part of the letter, so we will put it under part. And now B. Well, you can see that we can take out part of that, so we put it under the part section. C is oval, so we can't do anything with that. D, there's a straight line there. E, the whole thing is gone. F, the whole thing is gone. G, there is one part, so we put it there under part. H, whole thing's gone. And now I, whole thing's gone because vertical and horizontal. J, we can take out the horizontal bar on top, and there's part of the vertical that we can remove as well. So even though most of it's gone, it's still just part. Now on the K, the left vertical bar is gone. L, the whole thing. Now on the M, both outside vertical lines can go. So that's part. And the same thing goes for the N. It's the vertical lines. And now on the O, it's a curvy line. It's a circle, so none of it goes. On the P, we have the vertical line we can take out. On the Q, well, there's nothing. On the R, take out the left vertical bar. On the S, we can take out the center section. Oops! Well, that's a diagonal. On the T, take out the whole thing. On the U, we can take out the vertical sections. And now on the V, can't take anything out. W can't. X can't. On the Y, you can take out the vertical section. And on the Z, you can take out both of the horizontal sections. So now we've marked out everything that has vertical and horizontal lines. So now the second part, which I kind of made a mistake on the S, sorry about that, we're taking out all straight diagonal lines, doing the same thing, putting all in part, and see what happens. Okay, A, now the whole A is gone. B, depends on how you make the B, but C, no. G, no. K, yes, it's gone now too. N, M, they're both going to be gone. And the O, well, can't do anything with it. P, can't do anything with it. Q, there's that little bar we can take out. And on the R, take the bar out. Diagonal line. Can't do anything with the U. The V, the whole thing's gone. W, the whole thing's gone. The X, it's gone too. And now the Y. Well, it's gone too. Such a crazy thing. My grand discovery here. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the feminine, the circular, curvy lines. And if you'll look at the B, depending on how you create your B, the rounded part's either going to be all round, or a lot of people, like on the one that I did, kind of has that straight bar through the middle. But either way you go, the curve, you know, the whole B is going to be gone. Pretty amazing stuff. Okay, so I went ahead and kind of backtracked and did the straight line on the B, but it's already there because of the vertical. The curves, it's all gone. C's all gone because it's just one big open curve. Same for the D, it's one big open curve. And now onto the G. Same thing. One big open curve. Now let's see what is left. Little part of the J, the bottom part, so it's all gone. The O, totally gone. Now onto the P. Well, the Q's gone. The R, it's gone. The S, or both top and bottom of the S, since they're curves, they're gone. And now U, it's gone. I forgot to do the P. Sorry about that. Trying to go fast here. But so now the P's all gone. And the Z is gone. I just forgot to mark it out. So if you look and see here, the straight lines and the curvy lines, there is absolutely nothing left. What that means is you can reduce the entire alphabet down to ones and zeros, just like computer language, which was so crazy to me. That was my great discovery. Could not believe it. You might already have known this, but I didn't. And you would think that after all these years of working with this, I would have noticed. But yeah, anyway, so everything is made of a straight or a curved line in the alphabet. And just an experiment for you to try is try doing this very same thing with the lowercase and see what you get. I'll go ahead and tell you, I did it. I get the very same thing. So your straight lines will be masculine, and your circular lines or curvy lines will be feminine. So we've broken the entire alphabet down to straight or rounded or curvy, whichever you want to call it. And they're masculine for the straight, feminine for the curved, or they're a combination of those two, like in the letter J. So that was my great discovery. I was so excited. Now you don't need to do the lowercase experiment, but I think you should. It's fun and it's kind of eye-opening. The reason we went through this exercise was to show you that you can reduce the entire alphabet all the way down to two different types of lines. That's it. So it's totally up to you how you want to build it back up, how you want to create your letters. No hard and fast rules. It's just two lines that you can change any way you want to. I think that should give you a feeling of freedom and no stress. Just sit down with your pencil and paper and start using your imagination and creating. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you learned something and enjoyed it. And I would like to say thank you to Lori Dobson and Maria Harkey for helping to make this video possible. Go have some fun with lines, and I'll talk to you again very soon with part 2 of Lines and the Alphabet. Bye.